Hi everyone, my name is Kate and I'm here to show you all how to conjure up the perfect fruity mocktail that is the perfect pick-me-up for any night out. It's called the Iced'n spiced plum tea. So for this cocktail, all you need are some fresh plums, some fresh lemon zests, some breakfast tea, some honey and some cinnamon. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to brew our tea. 2 tea bags, English breakfast tea. So my rule for this is however you like your brew, just times it by 2. So we're going to top it with hot water, let that settle, and then I'm going to keep this to one side. The tea's ready when it looks like this gorgeous deep amber brown. Take the tea bags out, take the mixture and pop it in the fridge. To make the spiced plum cordial, take some plums, I've got 4 here, 1 stick of cinnamon, and then top it with water. Put that over on the hob, pop the lid on, and then how you know it's ready, it's roughly around 15 minutes, but when you see that water start to take on that gorgeous purple pinky colour, then you're good to go. So let's pull this all together then. I've cooked down the plums, the spice with the water, I've taken it off the heat, I've let it cool down for around 20 minutes, and then I've sieved it all out. I'm just gonna throw the tiniest little drizzle of honey in there, and inside this glass, I'm gonna put in 50 mils. Look at that colour, wow. Then we're gonna fill the glass with ice, pop it with some tea. I'm gonna give it a little stir, take the skin of a lemon, and you're just gonna zest the oils over the top of the glass, pop that on there, and add a little slice of plum, just to finish.